Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope you are doing well. Today, if you have seen one of our olden videos, one of the vlogs few days ago only that we have posted, then you must have seen that in that for lunch after many days my Amu had cooked chicken for us, and this is the recipe video for that chicken. It's very simple. You get your onions, then you have your chilies, and then you are going to add your ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, salt according to taste, and roasted cumin and coriander powder. Then mix everything together really nicely so that we make our, I don't know what we call this. Is it gravy? No, that's the last thing. I have no idea. Whatever. Then anyway, you will get this, and then we are going to add in onions, chopped onions. You can decide your own size, and then we are going to add in our chicken, stir really nicely, get all that mixture onto in. How can I get in? Anyway, just like on the chicken. I don't like grammar. Anyways, then we are going to put in our potatoes. And again, the potato size, it's absolutely your choice. We are going to continue stirring and swirl it. That's a hard word. And then we are going to pour in half cup of water. And also depending on how much gravy you want to keep, you're going to put it. Then we are going in with some garam masala and coriander. A pinch of coriander. Let it cook. When open, this delicious chicken is ready. It looks so good, and more better than that, it tastes so good. Don't believe me? Then try it out. It was really delicious, and I enjoyed it so much. And I hope that you also enjoy it too. And you're not going to know that unless you try it out. So try it, and I'll see you in our next video. Until then, bye bye. Masalama.